Waduokie ng'anyo nyakoro mgajwang' mano mar Azimio koro wang'iyo kor gwenge kama obila gikone oweyo thuolo jotenda Azimio la Umoja mano omaki kane temo jiwo ng'anyo e chuny boma ma Nairobi. Jaod bura ma Ugunja Opiyo Wandayi, wadgi mar Senate Stewart Mathayo kod jaod bura ma Kilifi South Ken Chonga oweyo thuolo bang' bede liet e lwet obila go kochakre onyango ma kawuono sama ne omakgi e kar romo mar KICC. Obila no oterogi nyaka e log tich mar okwach kich kama odaye dhogi kapok owegi thuolo. Jotelogo ose obila kuom geng'o ratiro margi mano mar ng'anyo kendo singo rido okanda.
It was totally unnecessary trying to use the police and the judicial system to settle what are purely political scores. And we want to assure Kenyans that these are things we are used to, and therefore we are going to deal with them in the usual manner.
I want to state it very clearly. It is wrong to arrest a member of parliament or a senator who is entering the house within the precincts of parliament. It is wrong, because where our offices are, that is where parliament is.
Kenya promulgated a new constitution. In that constitution, we, all of us, including the police and the head of state and everybody, enacted Article 37, which says everybody has a right to demonstrate, to picket on condition that they are not harmed.